oil change or my service fee for my Mercedes is $650.
Oh, I just picked up my car from having my B service done, and it's moments like this that make me question my decision. Let me show you guys. Let's focus right here. Almost $900, guys, to have my car serviced.
Would you pay over $4,000 for a routine service? That's exactly what this Porsche owner just got hit with, and it gets worse.
I just dropped my Porsche off at Porsche to get its annual maintenance, and I am a woman that does take care of her vehicles.
Here we go.
And so when you have a Porsche, you have to get an oil change, you have to get all your like lube changes, you have to have the tires checked and everything like that. So today I got the oil change, lube change, filter change. I drained my oil system, got 2 new tires on the front of the car, and an alignment, because you always want an alignment whenever you change more than 1 tire. In total, that cost me $1,800 just for that on the vehicle. I also pay for my insurance every 6 months because I don't want the monthly cost. That today cost me to renew was another $1,700. So that's already $3,400 just for that one vehicle. I own my own home. Well, I have insurance that I have to pay annually on my home. My premium was due today. That was another $4,000. So total today, about $7,400 just for my car and my home.
Yeah, them Porsches are super expensive to maintain. A lot of people don't find out until it's too late.
Good people, how y'all doing? Let's go to this bathroom, try to figure out how I'm gonna get out of here. I'm at a car dealership where I bought my car, and I've had 4 free services, and today it's time for my 5th service, and I've never paid for one, and they told me it's gonna be $689. That's more than my car payment. I gotta figure out how to get out of here with my car because, yeah.
I just wanted to let you guys know about these foreign cars that we all get so excited about. I just recently had my brakes on my car changed. My brakes were $2,000.
It's crazy, bro.
I also needed to get 2 new tires. They were $1,000 for 2 tires. And then I had to get a tire rotation. In total, I paid $3,400 and change. Not to mention the 3% credit card fee, which came out to $3,500 and change.
That's crazy. And that's a 2024. It's not even a 26. That's just unbelievable. You know, every time I see these videos, I realize that I'm going to be driving my Camry for a long time. You know what I'm saying? I just can't see me paying that much for no brakes.
I just picked up my Porsche Macan from the dealership here in town, and let me tell you,
Porsche.
insane. It is excessive for the sake of being excessive. No reason behind it, at least in my opinion. And I get it. These cars are higher end and they're wonderful, and everybody, it's just great, and you know, they perform, and it's just the cost of ownership.
See, he doing all that, but you own the car, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, now you want to do all this little extra stuff. Obviously, you didn't care about it. You bought the car. You know what I'm saying? Don't act like that now.
Put down in the comment section how much you think this is going to cost, because I promise you it's more than what you're going to put down.
A lot, bro.
Remove and replace rear brake pads and rotors. Adjust rear washer nozzle to hit windshield. Replace spark plugs. Replace right side marker light bulb. It's just the little orange light bulb that goes in the front bumper and turns on when the lights.
Bruh, you ever heard of Amazon? I hate to stop the video, but it's stuff like that you can do yourself. You can save yourself so much money. I know with certain luxury cars like that, you got to be careful, but change a light bulb, like, come on, man. That's what YouTube is for.
At night. Perform brake fluid exchange. Complete 40,000-mile interval service. And mountain balance 2 new Pirelli P0 Scorpion performance tires.
He about to spend about $9,000.
You ready?
Ridiculous.
You ready?
The tires alone cost a lot of money.
$8,428.57. And then, on top of all of that, they have the audacity, the sheer audacity to put a price breakdown of what you just paid for. Let's revisit that little light bulb, shall we?
See what I'm saying? Watch how much
Don't mind the
light bulb
13 pages here.
Watch how much the light bulb costs.
The bulb was $8.88. It cost me $268.88 for them to replace the light bulb. They charged me $325 an hour for labor. It took them 5 minutes to do.
That's crazy. Hundreds of dollars for labor to put a
I don't want to do this
light
anymore.
bulb in. That's
I'm
ridiculous.
gonna buy a scooter.
That's crazy, man. I'd be so frustrated. Hundreds of dollars, man, just to change a stupid light bulb.
I just picked up my G-Wagon from the dealership and had my 1-year service done, which is oil change, filters, all of that kind of stuff. $2,100 just for that. And then on top of that, I do drive like a dumb and I almost loaded up in the back of somebody else's vehicle and I had to lock it up and let it skid. So I needed brakes and brake pads. That was an additional $3,200. So now we're up to $5,400 for brakes, brake pads, and basically an oil change.
Man, that's crazy. She need to take and trade that thing in. I'm not paying that much for no brakes. That's unreal. I mean, I don't know much about G-Wagons. Leave it in the comments. I mean, I figure brakes are brakes.
Mercedes girly through and through. I always go for Mercedes if I need a new car. Like, I just love them, right? But it's all fun and games until your service B for like just scheduled maintenance is $650.
Whoa.
Nothing's wrong with the car. Everything's working great, but you're just going to throw a little alert on my car nonstop 24/7 until I get it serviced. And then it's $650.
Whoa.
For what? For what? I can fill up my own fluid. What? You're checking my tire pressure. Tires are good. It alerts me if they're not. Like,
See, when you got a car like that and it's brand new or certified, you got to take it to the dealership to get all the services done on it. Or if something happened, they find out you didn't do that, they have void your warranty. That's how they get you, man. You don't have no choice unless you buy like the service package, like with it. I don't even know if they sell it where they take care of your brakes and all that. I think that's on you, tires and all that. I know you can buy a tire, wheel and tire package or tire and wheel package, however you say it. Because my wife has it on her Lexus, but I don't think they cover don't cover brakes and rotors and all that type of stuff. That's on you. So you got to factor that stuff in when you buy these high-end luxury vehicles, especially if you got to take it to the dealership. That's where they really get you, bro. They making a killing at these dealerships, service departments. That's what keep dealerships open, the service departments.
Upkeep a Porsche. I came to the Porsche dealership, as you guys can see, and come to find out, right? So this is my first time ever owning a Porsche, and I gotta get an oil change. So I called the man and I said, "Hey, bro, I need to get an oil change," and he basically quoted me around $700 total to get this car serviced. So if any of you guys are wondering what the upkeep is and how much it costs to upkeep a Porsche, just know every time you get it serviced, it's gonna be around $700, and that's just to maintain the car. If you're gonna get a luxury car like this, just be ready for the cost and the maintenance that is required when owning a car like this.
Yeah, ain't no way around it, man. Especially a Porsche. You know, I better not take no Porsche to Jiffy Lube. Like about our last video. People taking these luxury cars to Jiffy Lube and Walmart to get oil changes. If you can't afford the $700 to get it done, man, you don't need the car. And I'm a strong believer in that. You have to factor in the maintenance. People get all excited when they get approved for the car, but they don't think about the maintenance. Never hear people talk about that. So that's why I make these videos, man, to bring this stuff to the forefront, because I see a lot of people, their cars sitting on the side of the road, or you see a car parked in a parking lot and the tires are black, especially the BMWs, because people can't maintain the brakes and the maintenance on these cars. They all run down. I'm like, man, that was a nice car at one point, but they're not servicing the car, you know? And it's just craziness. So if you learn something, man, hit the like button, subscribe. If you like videos like this, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm on the road to the 100K subscribers. I just need you guys to subscribe to the channel. I got a lot more content coming. And if you're in the market to buy a car, look in my description of this video and get my checklist. It'll help you save thousands of dollars. I've been getting a lot of good feedback from it. So I appreciate y'all watching. I see y'all on the next one. Peace.